Hello and welcome to How to Start a Home Yoga Practice. This is Lauren Lapointe and thank you so much for being here. I wanted to give you a big, warm, colorful welcome. There it is, just to let you know how much I appreciate you being here. And I really look forward to this journey that we're about to embark on together. It's very exciting. So this course is really for anyone with a minimum yoga practice. And I deliberately didn't define that because it's really different for everyone. So I think that when you feel called to have a home yoga practice, then it's time. So I don't want to define when that is for each person. So if you feel ready to do that, if you're taking this course, I assume that you're there. And if you have a desire to deepen your study of yoga, you're going to get so much out of this course. So if you're reading this, I know you're in the right place. And I really want to extend a warm welcome to you. And I look forward to all the good work we're going to do together. So let's go over what to expect from this course. I'm just going to give you a general overview of some of the things we're going to cover. And I wanted to clarify that this course is not a how to do yoga course, okay? Those are fun. I mean, I love those courses where we're going to talk about where you put your arm in this pose and all that kind of stuff. That's outside the scope of this course because I really want to focus on how to get you on your mat for your home yoga practice because there's a lot to that, and we're going to focus on that specifically. I am going to give you lots of good resources to explore yoga poses, but we're not going to get into all of that stuff right in this course, okay? So we're looking at how to get on your mat at home, which is very exciting and fun. So here are a few things that this course will include. We're going to look at why we should start a home yoga practice. We're going to look at how to set up and start a home yoga practice. So we'll look at the logistics to that. We'll look at what to do in your home yoga practice. A lot of people ask that off the top of the, when we start to talk about a home yoga practice, what do I do? What do I do? So we're going to look at that in more detail. Some of the other things that we'll also include, we'll look at a home practice versus classes or workshops or group yoga. We'll look at some of the challenges to starting a home yoga practice. And we'll talk about learning how to tune into what you need that day. That's such a powerful and really nice part of developing a home practice. And we'll talk about what to do and also what not to do in your practice. And it's my intention that this course be a guide for you just to fill your backpack with all the tools that you need to get going with your home practice, but I want you to take it with you. So we're going to look at the end of this course at how to evolve and keep on continuing your home practice. Okay, this is a starting point. I want you to take all this information and just run with it and evolve your practice. And this course and just really developing a home yoga practice is really about empowerment. We're empowering ourselves when we start a home yoga practice. So I just wanted to mention that right off the top so that you carry that with you as we go on this journey together, that we're empowering ourselves, okay? So it can be really helpful to keep a journal, okay, as we go through this course, but also just to support your home practice. Keep a journal. It can deepen and support and just clarify some things as well in your home practice. So thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey of self-discovery. There's a backpack. I love this picture. He's got his backpack on his back. He's ready to embark on the journey. And again, it's my intention to fill your backpack with lots of tools and techniques and just the know-how and the confidence to get on your mat and to know what to do and to know how to take it forward from there. So we're going to fill that backpack up for you with lots of good stuff, lots of inspiration, and it's going to be a really fun time. So thank you so much for being here. I'll leave you with this lovely quote by Rumi: "Submit to a daily practice. Keep knocking and the joy inside will eventually open a window." So that's just so appropriate for this course, for developing a home yoga practice. So enjoy that. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. And thanks again. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.